Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith, and today I've got one more video before Christmas. It's the Lost Cauldron mystery box. So this came up a few weeks ago and it's just arrived now, so this is what it looks like. I did get one of these a couple of months ago and it was really good, so I'm hoping that this is going to be of equal quality. It's gone up for sure. I think it went up by 20%. It was £40 for the last box. This one was £50. So yeah, but it feels substantial and I'm excited to get into it. And like I say, I love the last one, so I'll put you into top-down view and I'll just pull the items out one at a time so that we can examine them together. All right. Okay, the box is absolutely full of little squiggly bits, but the first thing I've pulled out is this Great Hall Scottish breakfast. So I'm guessing this is tea. Indeed it is, and they've done the same thing as previously and put in these cute little tea bags for us. So that's really nice. And a breakfast tea, that's cool. Plus, I mean that, love, right? So nice. And a nice little thingy on the top as well. Pretty. Okay, love. Very nice. Pop that over there. Okay, next we have a Christmas candle. It's really hard to read this against this background, but it says Christmas Eve. Let's have a, oh, pretty. That's so cute. Okay. And that is the same as the label, and let me just read what it says about it. A festive blend of pure citrus and mint. Oh, pine, citrus and mint. No, that explains it. Clove, cedarwood and fir needle, capturing the sparkle and warmth of Christmas Eve. Okay, well, that is super nice, and that's going straight on the mantelpiece in amongst all the clutter that I've already got on there. Oh, right, let's see, what is this? Incense sticks, balsam fir. Not really a great pine person when it comes to Christmas. I don't really care for this, you know, the fake smell of pine. Ooh, actually, I take it back. Those are really nice. Okay. All right, we've got another big one, and this is Crescent Moon incense stick holder, so that's cool because it'll go with those. Nice. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ugh. Polystyrene. The devil's material. Okay, that is gorgeous. What do you think? Love the little moon on it. Super. Okay. Next we've got something small at the bottom of the box. This is clear quartz energizing clarity and truth. So it's a little bracelet also with a moon on it. That's actually really nice. I like the fact that it's clear. It'll go with 100 things. It does kind of look like a child's bracelet, but you could style it with a bunch of other things, couldn't you? That's really pretty. Okay, and useful, and a decent size too. All right. Okay, we're getting to the end. So this is the Bad Witch Social Club metal keyring. And inside, it's a witch's hat with a little, oh no, Slytherin coloured band around it, which is fine. Green is my favourite colour, even though I'm a Ravenclaw. That is gorgeous, right? Super cute. Quite chunky. You won't want that sticking in your pocket, but I do love it and I will definitely use it. Okay, that's cute. All right, next we've got this print of the Lost Cauldron. Didn't I have something similar in the last one? I think maybe. But this time it's very festive. Look at the baubles and the ghost with his little scarf on. That is very cute. Not something that I would keep or use, but somebody will. I'm sure I can find a home for that. And then last but not least, we have a cauldron mug. And I love these double-walled mugs. I use them all the time because I can't drink my tea that quickly and I need it to be like super hot. Okay, I've cleared everything out of the way a bit so that you can see this a bit more clearly. This is super nice. I love these double-walled things. I use them all the time. I've seen this in the shop and I know it's a bestseller for them. So I'm actually really happy to have it. At the moment with mugs, I'm in this place of one in, one out because I simply cannot fit any more on the shelf. So yeah, this one is a keeper. All right, we're done. Of the favourite things, obviously there's the mug, the incense. This is really cute. I'm very happy with that. and the candle. And what I like is that they've given us a sheet which actually tells you the prices of everything, what their recommended retail prices are, so that's cool. And yeah, thank you very much to the Lost Cauldron. Very happy with my Christmas mystery box. All right, this should be it now for the rest of the year. Merry Christmas, everyone. Take care, stay safe. See you in the new year.